Samsung Galaxy S24, the regular version, the inexpensive one. Well, if you can call it inexpensive, but that's the least expensive version.
A case? You wish. Paper, SIM card tool, and a cable. Satisfaction. Very light device compared to the Ultra, which is like, wow, huge device. Power button, volume buttons, antenna, and on the top, microphones, antenna, and the second antenna on the left, and at the bottom another antenna, a lot of antennas, SIM card tray, a microphone, USB Type-C, speaker, and antenna. And of course, 3 cameras. Well, it feels nice, feels like jewelry. Starting the device, well, that was quick. Alright. Right, did you notice it's not extremely smooth, it's a little bit jittery. Every couple of seconds I can see that, like, skipping the frame. Not cool. Oh, one of my videos. Google recommend one of my videos. Thanks, Google. Wow, winning. Thank you. But it is jittery. It's not extremely smooth. Okay, why is that? Let me go to the settings. Okay, there's a standard or adaptive. There is no 120 flat. Wow. That is a disappointment because I can see a little bit of jittery every time I swipe. Oof, dropping frames. That's not cool at all. But in the main menu, it's pretty quick. I kind of like it. What about the camera? The camera, my friend. The camera. Portrait mode. Nice tracking. Very nice. Photo. In the photo department. Can we find something like Spiegel? There is no autofocus in wide-angle lens. What does that mean? It means if we go close to an image like that, see, it is blurry. It won't be sharp image, which is unfortunate because if you buy yourself an ultra version, which is so huge that's out of the frame, let me just go back. So huge. And if you hit it with the ultra, as you can see, bam! And we do have a sharp image. Ultra is ultra. So, we're losing that. But, no worries. We still can use a main lens and have a, bam, a sharp image. By the way, a sharp image all the way to 50 megapixels. And also a nice macro with a telephoto. So, you have to use a telephoto to give yourself a macro photo. Also in video, 4K 60 for the front-facing camera, and the main lens 8K 30 without the crop, which is cool. Look. Okay, there is a little bit of crop. Wait a minute. Okay, there is a little bit of crop, like 3%, 5% crop. Okay. But still, pretty cool. Unfortunately, if we go to Pro Video, there is no 124 for 4K like in the Ultra. So that's a downgrade, another downgrade. And it's getting warm. I don't know why. I just launched the camera, which is strange. Portrait video and stuff like that. Portrait video. Let me show you some samples, and bear in mind I've made a separate video for the camera itself, so we'll be way more about the camera in a separate video, which is coming really soon.
4K 30, because this smartphone cannot switch lenses during the recording in 4K 60. So switching lenses, the main lens, telephoto, and with the telephoto we can do macro, which is okay, I guess. I can go further. With wide angle, unfortunately, it's not available. For example, can you read what it says?
Probably don't, because it's out of focus and the background is in focus. And then if we use the ultra version, now the background is out of focus and you can read what it says. Nicely. Wow, now that is a macro. It will be blurry. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from this camera using the wide angle lens. And you can switch lenses during the recording, front and back, which is amazing. Of course, we will have autofocus in front facing camera, which is fast, really fast. Full length of my arm. That is cool. That is cool. Well, there's also a feature which calls high bitrate. Now it's on, so video should be better. Let me stop for a bit. High bitrate and quick autofocus.
Pictures came out really nice, but there's like no difference between the previous version and this one. At least I don't see. A little bit brighter image. I think maybe a little bit too bright for my taste.
A little bit AI for you. If you hit edit, okay. And for example, if you wanted to like take that sign, come on. Oh, now we have two. Well, I didn't expect that. Oh, what is that? Rofield and Kaufland. Why do we have to? Is the Samsung pranking me? Come on, Samsung. I wanted to move, not create another sign. Okay, let's back to the original, this chart, and maybe. Okay, let's do it again. Wow, Samsung, why are you pranking me? It's a prank. Okay, let's take the sign again. And now hold it and remove it. Let's remove it. Okay, generate. Generating. Come on, quick. Come on, I want to remove it completely. Not just the name. Did you know that you can live translate your voice call? Let's do it. Live translation.
Hello. This call is being translated and live captioned. Live translation, Florida.
Hey George, you owe me money. Where's my money, George?
Hej, Jochen,
Hey George.
nie
why
jesteś
don't
mi
we
winien
maybe
pieniędzy?
horses?
Gdzie są moje pieniądze, prawda?
George, I told you do not eat that breakfast. It was smelly. Now you have to hit a hospital because who knows what could happen.
Mówiłem ci, żebyś nie jadł tego śniadania. Było śmierdzące. Teraz musimy trafić do szpitala. Bo kto wie, co by się stało?
George, musimy jechać do hotelu, bo zapomniałem portfela. I co teraz?
George, we have to go to the hotel because I forgot my wallet and now what?
That was very impressive. And translation is really good. It's not perfect, and sometimes it's interrupting in the middle of the sentence, but it is really good. Conclusion, after 1 day of usage, the battery goes very quickly. It is a little bit jittery. Okay, that's pissing me off, that jittery. Wow. Very tiny, feels very nice in the hand because of the size. I bought myself a case or two. It will be for another video. And, well, mixed feelings. Not too many changes in the camera. Well, 8K 30, but with a crop, so, yeah. It's very similar to the previous one. And it gets a little bit of warm. I mean, it is warm. So I don't know. But it feels nice, that flat screen. Mixed feelings. But that's the first impression. Wait for the full review, which will be in a couple of days. And that's all.